Today my manager asked, is there a way to write a serial number like this, and whenever she add a new activity, the serial number should get updated automatically. To do this, I found one of the solution which I thought let me share it with you also. For that, what we need to do is we have to simply type here array formula. Then we have to give here the if condition. If b2 to last b equal to blank, then don't do anything. If it is having any activity name here like test1 or test2, then it should share the serial number. For that, what we need to do is we have to type here the another function which is row, and then we'll select the complete column here b1 to b last, and then simply close the bracket and then press the enter button. Now you can see we are getting here the serial number based on these activity name. Now we have to add the bracket like this. For that, what we need to do is we have to use here the quotation mark, then open bracket, quotation mark, and then we have to use here the ampersand sign. And then similarly we have to type here ampersand and then quotation mark, close the bracket, again quotation mark, and then simply press the enter button. So now you can see we are getting the serial number in the same format. Now to do the testing, what we'll do is we'll type here test 5. Now you can see we are getting the serial number in the same format. So let's say I need only the close bracket here. For that, what we need to do is we have to simply remove this open bracket and then press the enter button. Now you can see we are getting the serial number in this way also. So this is how you can write the serial number. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you so much for watching.